For what value of absolute value of n plus 4 plus 1 is less than 0? So this requires a little bit of logic here. So if we think about any absolute value, we know that any absolute value always has to be greater than 0, greater or equal to 0, right? Because any number that is absolute value always has to be positive. Because an absolute value is taking anything that's negative and then returning that positive value. So we know that it's always greater or equal to 0. Now, we can also add 1 to both sides just to match this problem. So add 1 to both sides. So that means that for any value of n plus 4, absolute value of n plus 4 plus 1 is always going to be greater or equal to 1. Okay, so with that in mind, it's asking for what value of n is less than 0, and we know that obviously we just deduced that it's always going to be greater or equal to 1, so therefore there is no such value of n.